In this video, we're going to multiply fractions, the one place you don't need matching bottoms, and see why of really means times. Here's the situation. After the party, 3/4 of a brownie tray is left. Priya eats 2/3 of what's left. So, what fraction of the whole tray does she eat? Let's watch it happen. The tray held 24 brownies in 4 rows of 6. At the party, the top row went 6 brownies. The rows are quarters, so with 3 of the 4 rows left, 3/4 of the tray is left. Now Priya eats 2/3 of what's left, and there's the key word, of. In maths, of means multiply. 2/3 of 3/4 is 2/3 times 3/4. So what does she actually get? 3 rows are left. Thirds. She takes 2 of the 3 rows. That's her share, in green. 12 brownies. Now watch the maths get the same answer, straight across. Multiply the tops. 2 times 3 is 6. Multiply the bottoms. 3 times 4 is 12. 6/12. 6/12 simplifies. Divide the top and the bottom by 6, and it's 1/2. 2/3 of 3/4 is 1/2. Priya ate half the tray. And the tray proves it. Count her brownies, 12. And 12 of the 24 is exactly half. 2 more, then the mistake nearly everyone makes, and a quick quiz. Example 2. A recipe needs 4/5 of a jug of water. You're only making half the recipe. How much water do you need? Half of the water of means multiply. 1/2 times 4/5. Straight across. Tops. 1 times 4 is 4. Bottoms. 2 times 5 is 10. 4/10. 4/10 simplifies. Divide the top and the bottom by 2. 2/5. And there it is on the jug. The water comes down to the 2/5 mark. You need 2/5 of a jug of water. 1 more. An apple pie was cut into 8 slices. After lunch, 5 slices are left. Ben eats 2/5 of what's left. What fraction of the whole pie does he eat? 2/5 of 5/8 of means multiply, so the same rule works. And look how friendly the picture is. 5 slices left, so each slice is 1/5 of what's left. 2/5, that's simply 2 slices. There they go. Now the rule straight across. Tops, 2 times 5 is 10. Bottoms, 5 times 8 is 40. 10/40. 10 and 40 both divide by 10, 1/4. Ben eats 1/4 of the whole pie. Check it on the pie. He ate 2 of the 8 slices, and 2/8 is exactly 1/4. Here's the trap. 2/5 times 1/5. The bottoms already match, so lots of people just multiply the tops and keep the bottom. 2/5. But look at the grid. 1/5 of 1/5 is a tiny piece, a 25th. When you multiply, the bottoms multiply too. 2 times 1 is 2, 5 times 5 is 25. 2/25. Quick quiz. Work out each one and give your answers in their simplest form. Pause the video, then play to check. Here they are. 1/2 times 1/3, tops 1, bottom 6, 1/6. 2/3 times 3/5, 6/15, which simplifies to 2/5. And 3/4 times 2/9, 6/36, 1/6. So, the key points: to multiply fractions, multiply the tops, and multiply the bottoms, straight across. Remember that of means multiply. you don't need matching bottoms. That's for adding and subtracting, and always simplify your answer at the end. And before you go, everything we make is free at Mathtopus.com. The worksheet for this exact lesson with full worked answers, complete KS3 test papers, and every video lesson. The link's in the description. See you in the next one.